Automatic Gates Leeds. Your property deserves more than just a gate. It deserves security, style, and convenience, all in one. We bring all three together with our professional automatic gate installations. Whether you're protecting your family home or managing access to a busy business premises, our team designs and installs electric gate systems built around you. Choose from sliding, swing, or bifold designs in durable steel, aluminium, or timber finishes. Add smart features like video intercoms, mobile phone access, or number plate recognition for complete control, wherever you are. The result: a secure entrance that boosts your property's value, enhances curb appeal, and makes everyday access simple. With years of experience, our teams are trusted for quality, safety, and reliable service. Don't wait to protect and enhance your property. Take the first step to smarter security. Contact us today on 07480538584.